Hello everybody, this is Neely from Pixel Perfect Bloom. In this video I'm going to show you how to use the new triangle wrappers Canva templates. When you downloaded your purchase, you will receive this PDF with the links. So I'm going to go for the big one, and you will see it looks like this. So this is actually my free account. I have just signed up for another free trial on this one because you are so limited on the free version. However, you can use it with all my templates. You can use the free version. I just wanted to use the pro version for the sake of this video. It's just much easier. It takes a lot of time to search to see what is free on the free version. So firstly, you will see all these funny things. So this wrapper consists of a back frame that is solid. That's what it says, a back frame. Then the middle and the sides is separate triangles on the wrapper. You will see what I mean just in a minute. So to start, you can click anywhere on the design, go to position, go to layers, and you will see all the layers in the design. So I want the back one. I'm going to start with the back one, so I'm going to click on it, right click, layer, bring to front. So now the back layer, the back Canva frame is in front. I like to start with that and work to the top. So in the elements, I'm going to search Christmas background now that we are in Christmas time. Let's use this one. Now I'm going to go to layer again, send to back. Now just click on it. If you want to change it, you just click on it, click on this delete button, delete image. Okay, let's look for something that's no. I'm looking for something more flashy. Let's go with this. Not really Christmassy enough. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, layer again, send to back, and now you will see this triangles in the front. So one big thing is these triangles here must not move at all, because this is used in the end product where this meet is your folding lines. So if you accidentally move any of this triangles, your end product is not going to line up. So this is very, very important. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to delete all this, because you see now what it says, and this looks like it's not right. Believe me, it is. I have a trash can full of paper that I tasted. So for the end product to line up, this one have to look like this. So now for this triangles, I'm looking for something that is not busy, so busy like that in the background, because I want to add elements and I want to add text. So I want something that is more, okay, if we go with this, I don't want to make the video too long. We can see if we find something more red to fit with that. Not red enough. No. Okay, let's go with that. So when you finished with the background with this triangles, a very important step, do not forget to do it, please. Otherwise you're going to send me a WhatsApp and say this thing don't line up. So you're going to click on it to select it, right click, and you go on lock. See, now it can't move. Middle one, right click, lock it. Last one, lock. So that you can't move it accidentally. You will see the background. You will be able to move because we haven't locked it. Okay. But this can't move. Okay, so this can't move, you see it. Can't move. Okay, so now we still have to do the sides. If you don't want to have the sides with a background, you can just change the color. You just go there by color, and when you go down here you can see photo colors. This is the colors that is on the workspace already. So you can just select the color if you don't want it to be flashy. If you want to put something in that is more like glitter, let's see this one. No. Sometimes you have to drag it a bit so that the frame can grab it. Okay, that don't look good. Let's go. Let's go for something I want to show you as well. This Elements tab on Canva is your search engine inside of Canva. Like Google, if you want to search Christmas wrappers, you're going to type in Christmas wrappers. Here in the Elements tab, whatever you are looking for to add to your design or theme that you're looking for, you just type it in here. You saw in the beginning I've typed in here Christmas background that I was looking for. Now I'm looking for something flashy to put in there on the side. So now I'm gonna put in red glitter. Okay, this one I think will go better with the, okay. And don't be afraid to do something wild. Sometimes that is what is going to make your design pop. So I'm going to try this one here. I'm going to move it until that one is grabbing it. Okay. Let's go with that. So now next I want to do Merry Christmas. Okay, and you will see there's a lot of them popping up. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just going to grab something. And now I want to add something else, so now I will say Christmas elements. Let's see if we do this quickly. You don't have to go all the way to the top of the triangle there, because you're not going to really see it. So I'm going to move this down a bit. Okay. Let's see what we can. No. Okay, let's just do a Christmas tree. Both sides. Okay, let's look for something. Okay, let's go for this is where your paper is going to overlap, so don't go all the way to that. And here you can't go all the way to the side, because you're going to cut it there, so you have to keep some distance. So we can make how a bit. Duplicate this side. I'm going to go to the flip. I'm going to flip it. Oh no. Okay, this one I'm going to do a bit smaller to fit in here. Okay. So we're happy here. Then you're going to share, download. You're going to use a PNG. That's the best quality. You're going to download it and you're going to save it onto your computer. You will see that I have included the size. Please make sure when you print your wrapper that this is the size. I have a video showing you how to print from Canva, and also there is some print instructions in the download as well. I hope this helped. Please show us in the Facebook group what you are doing with it. I would like to see it. In the next video, it will be the video how to fold your wrapper to get it in that triangle shape. Okay guys, see you in the next video.